Factories are getting new coworkers. AI digital workers that decide, act, and learn. Tireless teammates for modern operations. Digital workers are autonomous software agents. They observe data, decide what to do, act, and learn from outcomes, with minimal oversight. Adoption is accelerating. By 2026, 70% of multinational manufacturers will deploy AI-driven solutions to boost efficiency. Supply chain agility. Agents monitor demand and lead times in real time, rebalance inventory, and reroute logistics to keep materials flowing. Results today. Siemens reports approximately 20% lower holding costs. DHL dynamically reroutes to cut delays and fuel use. Quality with AI vision. Computer vision inspects at line speed, catching defects early. Many programs see 20 to 30% improvements. BMW reports higher detection accuracy. Predictive maintenance. Agents analyze vibration and temperature to flag issues before failures, reducing downtime by up to 40%. At AB InBev, filter runs lasted 40 to 50% longer. Adaptive automation. AI-guided cobots adjust to change in real time. FanYuk reports reduced human intervention and higher throughput in select operations. Bottom line, costs drop, quality rises, uptime improves, and throughput increases, moving towards self-optimizing lines and smarter supply chains. Leaders who adopt now will separate from the pack, with projected efficiency gains approaching 40% this decade. Make digital workers real with Think Digits. Identify high ROI use cases, pilot in weeks, and scale with confidence.